Hey guys, what's up? This is Sean from HK. Today I got in a pre-order that I ordered 2 months ago. 4 boxes of 2009 SP Signature Edition football. Start 2 boxes. We'll do 2 boxes per video here. Quick and fast bus. It's 1 pack per box. And our first one, we have a quad autograph right there. Who do we have here? Let's see, let's go to the back. We have Mike Jenkins, Justin Hing, Eric Weedy, and Darrell Revis. No idea who they are, but it's numbered 15 out of 35 right there. Quad autograph. Okay. And our second box here. We'll have a triple autograph. 2 very nice boxes. This one is really nice. Rashard Mendenhall, Matt Forte, and Steve Slayton. It is 22 out of, what is that, 25? Right there. And that is Forte's jersey number right there. See, 22. And there we go. I'll be back with boxes 3 and 4.